How to hide activity statues of your account on your Instagram. Yeah, today I will show you guys how to do this. Just follow the video until the end. You go first and you open your Instagram. As you see, when your Instagram is open and you will find home, of course, you go down and you click on your profile and opening it. Then you go at the top of the screen and click on this three line, then click on settings, then go to privacy and click, then go to activity statue, then you click and you will find show activity statue, and you will turn off this option by clicking here like that, and that's it. I hope this video is useful and helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.